Welcome to our guide on remote workforce management. In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, managing distributed teams effectively is no longer just an option, it is a critical skill for leaders. Whether you are new to remote work or looking to optimize your current strategy, this video will cover the essentials of human resources in a digital-first world. First, let us define what we are talking about. Remote workforce management is the practice of leading and supporting employees who are not physically present in a central office. These team members might be working from home, coffee shops, or entirely different countries. The key shift here is moving away from monitoring physical presence to measuring tangible results. Why is this happening now? Three main drivers are reshaping the workplace. First, technology like high-speed internet makes collaboration seamless. Second, globalization allows companies to hire the best talent anywhere. And third, flexibility has become a top priority for employees seeking a better work-life balance. This shift benefits both sides. Employers see reduced overhead costs on office space and gain access to a global talent pool. Employees save hours of commuting time every week and enjoy the freedom to live where they want. It is a win-win scenario when managed correctly. However, it is not without challenges. Remote workers can often feel isolated or lonely. Communication gaps can occur more easily without face-to-face interaction. And without physical boundaries, the line between work and personal life can blur, leading to burnout. To overcome these challenges, communication is key. You must over-communicate to ensure clarity. Document processes so information is always accessible. And importantly, balance synchronous communication, like video calls, with asynchronous communication, like email, to respect your team's focus time. Culture doesn't happen by accident in a remote setting. You have to build it intentionally. Schedule virtual coffee breaks for casual chat. Celebrate wins publicly to boost morale. And ensure your scheduling is inclusive of all time zones so no one feels left out. You need the right tools to make this work. A standard stack includes chat apps like Slack or Teams for quick questions, video tools like Zoom for meetings, project management software like Asana or Trello to track tasks, and cloud storage like Google Drive to share files securely. Finally, rethink how you measure performance. Stop watching the clock. In a remote environment, hours worked matter less than what is actually delivered. Set clear goals and trust your team to meet them. Trust is the currency of a successful remote team. To wrap up, embrace asynchronous communication, use the right tools, focus on results over hours, build culture intentionally, and above all, trust your team. Master these, and you will build a thriving, productive, distributed workforce. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.